Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit Outlook distribution lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and fully sync your mailbox before moving forward. Now that everything's loaded, let's get into editing those distribution lists. Start by navigating to your Contacts menu, which you'll find located at the bottom left part of your screen. Look for the Contacts button. It's the icon that shows two people. Go ahead and click on it to open your Contacts section. This is where all your saved contacts and distribution lists are stored, and it's the area you'll be working in to make any edits. Once your contact menu opens, you'll notice that editing a distribution list is actually quite straightforward. Look toward the top part of your screen where you'll see a section labeled Current View. Within this section, you'll find a view selector. Click on List from the available options. This will change how your contacts are displayed and make it much easier to work with multiple entries at once. After selecting List View, you'll now see all your contacts within your distribution list displayed in a structured format. Each contact appears with fields under different headers, such as name, email address, phone number, and other details depending on how your list is set up. From here, you can freely edit these records by clicking directly into the fields under each header. Simply click on the information you want to change, type in the new details, and the changes will be saved automatically as you move through the list. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Outlook distribution list by accessing your contacts, switching to list view, and updating the information directly within the fields. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.